Okay, we're back again. We are back again, and I believe we have rectified the problem of the echo, and then when I go live, the problem that the sound just disappeared. Gone. Bang. Gone. And I think we've rectified it all. So I'm going to do this live stream again because the other video that we've done has got this horrendous echo and it's just not really watchable. It's unprofessional and it's not nice at all. So we're going to start again. We are. Now hopefully this is going to be a good live stream. Now I'm Michael Coates and I'm the founder and creator of thesewingguru.com. Now the sewingguru.com is a massive learning sewing website and we cater for everybody, for the beginner to the intermediate all the way through to the advanced tailor, sewer, whatever you want to call yourself, right the way through to advanced. And we cater for everybody there in between. We also have a crafting section, a machine embroidery section, we have a petware section, we have alterations, garment alterations, and we cater for the beginner. So we have beginners courses, intermediate. But instead of me telling you, I'm going to show you, because I'm going to go live. Hopefully the audio will stay on and we will be sorted, but we will have to see about that. Hopefully it's sorted. So yeah, I'm going to go live and I'm going to show you how you can get a free membership. It doesn't cost anything, it's 100% free. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. So let's go live to the internet. So I believe the sound and the audio are still on. So I'm pleased about that, and hopefully there's no echo either. Otherwise we're going to have to eradicate this video and try again. But anyway, hopefully we're there. So what you want to do is go to Google here and type in the Sewing Guru and it will take you to the search here. Click the Sewing Guru and it will bring you to the Sewing Guru website, as you can see here. This is the Sewing Guru. Now I'm really excited about this because it's the new look Sewing Guru and all the software has been completely revamped. So I'm going to show you what the new look Sewing Guru does. As you can see, if I bring the screen across, it switches. This is a responsive website and it switches to all screen sizes. Now it's not just the main screens here, it's the whole thing. Even when you log into the membership section, it is fully responsive, so it works on every single device you can think of. It works on all of them, so it's really great. Now we've also revamped the membership software as well, so it makes it very secure. So what you need to do is, if you want a new free membership, just click here, free membership, and you have a sign up form here. Now what's good about this as well is that you can choose your username and you can choose your password, which is fantastic. So just put in your name, put your email address in there, choose your username and choose your password, and you will then be signed up. Now I'm just going to go back. So when you've signed up with your username and your password, we'll also send you an email automatically as well. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your junk folder, but it'll probably be in your inbox, it'll be alright. And you click login. Now when you click login, it takes you to this box here. So we've created a fictitious account for me, and I'm going to log in, as you can see there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go straight to the free access membership. Here we are. So this is the free access membership. Now you have access to all of the collections that do not have this upgrade symbol here. You don't have access to these. If you were to click on one of these, it will say have no access and you need to upgrade. Now if you upgrade, if I click there, you can upgrade and you will get it cheaper. As you can see, normal monthly price is $22, now it's $19, and the 12 month you get a massive reduction at $99 per year. So it's really, really good. And you can just sign up with that. I'm going to go back again. So that's with all of these with the icons facing up. These are you don't have access to those, but all of the ones that doesn't have an icon, you have access to all of these. So for instance, let's click into the jeans collection. And what happens is you have this video is available, the second video is available, and you just play that, as you can see. So the videos are all available, and then if you wanted to click to further videos, again you would have to unlock to be able to watch all of the videos. But this here, this is created so that it gives you just an idea of what to expect as a full member. Now the petware section is now also being completed, so the whole site now is completed and it is fully available as a full access member. But this is the free membership, so there's a lot here, there really is. You've got your beginners courses here, this is all free, the sewing machine course, and again you've got a video there. It's great, it really is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to another part. In fact, what I'm going to do is manage my account. This is great. This is brand new as well. So when you are a member, a free membership or a full member, you get access to this panel. This is your own user panel, and you can then change your password and username if you want to. So my username here, again, it's a fictitious one. This is not real. This is just for this video. So you can change your membership, your username here. You can change your password here. You have access to change your email. You can change your name, and you have access to everything here. And also as well, if I go to the full access membership, the Sewing Guru full access membership, you will then have access to everything, like everything. Sewing crafts, clothing alterations, advanced lessons, the beginners courses, the petware collections, everything. It's a massive website, it really is. So I'm just going to choose one of these collections. Let's choose the beginners courses. So again, you have the sewing machine beginners course and the actual beginners course. Click into the beginners course here. You have then access to these patterns and all of the exercises. They're all in a concertina-like effect. So you got the video here, and then you have an ebook which you can download. You can click on there, and this ebook will just pop up here, and you can download the ebook, as you can see there. So it is a really, really great site. Let's go back to the main index. You have here as well your welcome pack and your set of sewing e-tips. They're there as well. You can download those. But it's a great website, and you know, we're really, really pleased that we've got it over to better software, and it is more secure as well. The membership software is much more secure, and like I've showed you, you can just change your username and your password to whatever you want to, and it just makes it easier to remember. So it's great. And we're very, very excited about this new look Sewing Guru. And like I say, it works on all devices. Mobile phones, tablets, obviously the desktop, Apple iPhones, the iPad, everything. Works on everything. So it's a really great thing now. So you can basically take the Sewing Guru. I mean, you could before, but it's much better now. You can take it with you wherever you want to go. And you can watch it on your mobile phone. You might be at college, you could just stand your mobile phone up near the sewing machine and watch the sewing videos and learn that way. What better way to learn as video? You know, it's all visual and it's all video based. All the patterns are there which you can download, and everything's there. It's great. And like I said, the best thing is it works on all devices. It works on your mobile phone. So it is brilliant, and we're really, really excited about this. And it's a really reasonable price as well. If you want to join as a full member, it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I mean, a physical class costs a lot of money, really. And believe you, I've done physical classes, and you actually don't learn a huge amount, because the problem is when you come away from the class, you can forget. And it's very easy to forget. So, whereas the Sewing Guru is available 24/7. It really is. So it's there all the time with you. But if you want to have a physical class, because I know that people like to, you know, they want to be with other people and learn with other people, and you've got that sort of social aspect as well. Why not have both? have your social aspect, and then as well have the Sewing Guru video index there to help you if you forget to do anything, because the Sewing Guru is a brilliant website just to dip in and out of and learn anything you want to. So it's a great resource. But the best thing is there's a free membership there as well. So sign up, register for a free membership, get yourself in there and have a look around, and you will then see what there is to expect as a full member. So thanks very much for watching. Hopefully our audio is now sorted, no echo, and you can hear me when we go live internet as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next live stream. Bye for now. Bye.